Just a short drive, about 12 kilometers from the busy streets of St. John's, the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada, lies a quiet coastal escape known as Topsail Beach. As you arrive, the rhythm of the city fades, replaced by the sound of waves rolling in from the vast Atlantic Ocean, the second largest of the world's oceans. This ocean surrounds the island of Newfoundland, shaping its rugged coastline and the everyday lives of the people who live here. Your journey might start at Rotary Park. From there, a short walk leads you towards the beach lagoon and the open shoreline, where the horizon stretches endlessly across the sea. The salty air, the gentle wind, and the sound of distant gulls make it easy to pause, breathe, and simply take in the moment. For those who want more than a quiet view, adventure waits nearby. The longshore path winds along the coast for about 17.2 kilometers, leading hikers all the way to Portugal Cove. The walk can take 6 to 8 hours, passing cliffs, forests, and sweeping ocean views along the way. This path is just one part of the larger East Coast Trail, a remarkable 336-kilometer network of wilderness trails that follows North America's easternmost coastline. Standing at Topsail Beach, watching the ocean meet the sky, it becomes clear why people come here. This is the quiet power of nature in Newfoundland, simple, vast, and waiting to be explored.